Need to leave a Zoom meeting, but you're not sure which option to choose. Whether you're a participant or the meeting host, Zoom makes it easy to exit a meeting the right way. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to leave a Zoom meeting in 2026. So let's get started. First, move your mouse to reveal the meeting toolbar if it's hidden. Then look for the red Leave button in the bottom right corner of the Zoom window. On some devices, the toolbar may appear at the top instead. If you're joining as a participant, simply click Leave. Zoom will ask you to confirm before you exit the meeting. Once you confirm, you'll immediately disconnect from the meeting. If you're the meeting host, clicking Leave gives you two choices. You can assign another participant as the host and leave the meeting, or you can end the meeting for everyone. Choose the option that best fits your situation. After selecting your preferred option, confirm your choice. If you assigned a new host, the meeting will continue without you. If you ended the meeting, everyone will be disconnected. Double-check your selection before confirming, especially if you're hosting an important meeting. If you left by mistake, you can usually rejoin using the same meeting link, meeting ID, or invitation, as long as the meeting is still active. If the meeting has already ended, you'll need a new meeting invitation from the host. Finally, make sure you've returned to the Zoom home screen or that the meeting window has closed. This confirms that you've successfully left the meeting, so you're all done, and that's how to leave a Zoom meeting. Whether you're a participant leaving early or a host ending the session, the process is quick and straightforward. If you're hosting, always double-check before ending the meeting for everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.